Is it possible to change a name on Bumble? What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial we're going to see if you are able to change a name on Bumble or not. So the first thing first, you'll have to open your app and log into your account. So once you have logged in, just tap on your profile, and once you're inside your profile, if you tap on your profile picture, you'll see an option to edit profile, but you are not able to see any option that says change a name. So in Bumble, you are not, unfortunately, not able to change a name. So the name that you've said when you have opened your profile, that will be your default name. So you cannot change a name on Bumble after you have created an account, unfortunately. But if you really want to change a name, then what you can do is open up a new account with a new name, and that way you can have the name that you desire on Bumble. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial we're going to see if you are able to change a name on Bumble or not. So the first thing first, you'll have to open your app and log into your account. So once you have logged in, just tap on your profile, and once you're inside your profile, if you tap on your profile picture, you'll see an option to edit profile, but you are not able to see any option that says change a name. So in Bumble, you are not, unfortunately, not able to change a name. So the name that you've said when you have opened your profile, that will be your